we are based on tourists as our customers. So when they come to Goa, when they come to they'll come to the airport. They'll pick the bottles from the airport, and that way we will lose our business. Even whilst leaving Goa, when they're going out, they will pick up the bottles from the airport and go. So it is a prohibited area. The license will not be given to him.
So it is operating or what? It is supposed to come.
It is supposed to come. It is not operating now. He has applied for a license, and the file is with Honorable CM डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत. तिने आता हांवें आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे 3 वायन शॉप येवपाचे म्हणून. वन एट अ डिपार्चर, वन अरायवल, आणि एक आफ्टर द सेक्युरिटी चेक वेन यू लिव्हिंग आउट फ्रॉम हियर देर विल बी वन मोर वायन शॉप.
चडशे लोक ट्युरिस्ट वास्को येता ते मोस्टली चड करून वेन दे आर गोईंग बॅक देर आर चान्सीस दे मे टेक द लिकर फ्रॉम एअरपोर्ट इट्स. सो आमकां अशें भिरांत आसा की आमचे कस्टमर घेवन जावपाक आमचे चान्सीस व्हेरी